Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see multiple ways to flip image or layer in Adobe Photoshop. This is my first image. It is a single layer image. I want to flip this image horizontal or vertical. In second image, I have image layer and some text and circle, multiple layer image, and I want to flip only the image layer or in this image, okay, or in this PSD, okay. I just go with the first thing or the first file. In first file, I just go to the image rotation. In image rotation, I want to go to the horizontal, then horizontal. If you want to go to the vertical, then vertical. I just go with the horizontal, and my image is flipped in the horizontal position or in mirror position. And now I just go to the second layer or the second file. In second file, I have multiple layers. I just go with the traditional way, image rotation, and in flip in horizontal, okay. But one problem is our text is also mirror or the flip, and our circle is also flip. So I just click on the Ctrl Z on my keyboard. Now I want to rotate this image only. That is very simple. First, I just unlock my image. Here is my background image. It is an actual background image. Unlock it. It is an lock. Click on this lock and your image is unlocked now, okay. Now we want to flip this image only. Select the image that you want to flip. I select this layer, and now I just go to the edit. In edit, two options are important: free transform and transform. We go to the transform first. In transform, we find horizontal. Click on the horizontal. Now our image is flipped in the horizontal. Our text is not flipping. Now we just go to the image, edit. In edit, transform and vertical, and its image go to the vertical, okay. I press Ctrl Z on my keyboard and I show you another way. Another way is very simple. Click on the edit, select the image first, select our image layer first, click on edit. In edit, we find free transform or Ctrl T. Click on the free transform, Ctrl T. At this point, right click on your image. Here we find flip horizontal or flip vertical. I click on the flip horizontal and right click on it, and once again flip vertical, okay. And click on this right button or check mark. Now I want to give a shortcut key for the transform is Ctrl T. Just press Ctrl T on your keyboard, select your layer, Ctrl T on your keyboard. Now right click on your keyboard and click on the flip horizontal, flip vertical once again. Now it is in our normal position, and click on this right icon. This is the simplest way to flip image or layer in Adobe Photoshop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.